Hello students, in this video we will see the ethics in AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is an exciting technology that helps machines do things that humans can do, like recognizing faces, understanding speech, and making decisions. However, as cool as AI is, it also raises some important ethical questions, basically. Questions about what is right and wrong when creating and using AI. Here's a simple explanation of some key ethical issues in AI. First ethical issue is bias and fairness. Bias and fairness in AI refer to how an AI system can treat people unfairly if it learns from biased data. AI systems are trained on large amounts of information, but if that data contains stereotypes or unequal representation, the AI may make decisions that favor one group over another. For example, if an AI for hiring is trained mostly on data about men in high-paying jobs, it might unfairly recommend men over women for similar roles. Ensuring fairness in AI means identifying and removing these biases so that the technology treats everyone equally, regardless of factors like gender, race, or background. Another ethical issue is privacy. AI often uses a lot of personal data, like your photos, location, and search history, to make predictions or suggestions. For example, apps like Instagram or TikTok use AI to show you videos they think you'll like, but they collect a lot of information about you to do this. Another ethical issue is job loss and economic impact. Job loss and economic impact are important ethical issues in AI because AI systems can replace human workers by automating tasks, especially repetitive or predictable ones. For example, self-driving cars might reduce the need for drivers. Next ethical issue is accountability. Accountability in AI refers to determining who is responsible when an AI system makes a mistake or causes harm. For example, if an AI system causes an accident, it's important to know whether the blame lies with the company that designed the AI owner, or the system itself. Last and most common AI ethical issue is misuse of AI. AI can be used for bad purposes too, like creating fake news, spreading misinformation, or hacking. Example: AI can create fake videos called deepfakes that look real but aren't. Why should you care about AI ethics? AI is shaping the future, and you will live in a world where it's everywhere. Thinking about these ethical questions will help you become responsible users and creators of AI. If we all think carefully about these issues, we can build AI that is fair, safe, and good for everyone.